I'm here today because the time has come for common sense, comprehensive immigration reform. The time is now.
Comprehensive immigration reform demands a system that can instantly and accurately check an employee's immigration status. That would mean an enormous expansion of the current system called eVerify. But immigration attorneys say that without equally massive improvements, a universal eVerify will inevitably cause even more mistaken denials of citizenship, inconvenience, and unfair hiring practices.
We want to see that the government has committed sufficient resources to the program to ensure that there are no delays or no breakdowns, because it's going to be used on a much broader capacity.
Chicago attorney Marketa Lindt is one of the country's leading authorities on immigration and employer enforcement. She says that though the eVerify system is improving, it can miss employers who misuse the system for pre-screening or selective verification. Delays and sometimes stops the hire of qualified employees whose names are recorded differently on official documents, and often cannot flag identity thieves who use stolen but real Social Security numbers.
Employers who use the system in good faith really need some sort of safe harbor so that they can be sure that if they're using the system properly, that they're not going to be subject to government enforcement that's unexpected.
An expanded eVerify not only could create issues for employers, but mandating it nationwide in just a few years also brings up some serious concerns for employees.
I think eVerify cannot be fixed in that time, and I don't think it can ever be a viable system for immigration enforcement.
Attorney Chris Williams is the founder of Chicago's Working Hands Legal Clinic, a nonprofit that assists low-wage and often immigrant workers.
Employers will make mistakes in how they use the system. The system is flawed. It's premised on accessing the Social Security Administration's database, accessing Homeland Security's database. And the problem is, if there's a saying, garbage in, garbage out.
If an employer participates in eVerify, employees have a right to be informed that an employer uses eVerify, contest an eVerify notice of tentative non-confirmation, or TNC, and take up to 8 workdays to complete a TNC challenge. Williams says there are estimates of up to 18 million errors in the Social Security Administration's database.
President Obama wants to take 5 years to phase in his immigration reform plan. Lawyer Marketa Lindt thinks that it will take the government at least that long to verify eVerify. In Chicago, this is John McCarthy reporting for the Lawyers.com channel.